Good morning. Welcome back to Mr. Wise Community Development Channel and week 2 of our Community Helpers work. So last week you guys worked on 3 different community helpers and worked on matching the items that are associated that go with that community helper with the community helper. So you did last week police officer. You matched up items associated with a teacher, and you did our friendly mail carrier. So you did this one too. This week, there are 3 other community helpers that I'd like you to work on that are very important to the community. They help other people in need. They give people services that they need. So the first one is brave firefighter. So we have a firefighter sheet here, and then the items associated with the firefighter. So we have the fire helmet, the fire truck. Of course, we see that all over the community. Hose. They use the fire hydrant for water to help with the fire. They have a air tank for when they go in and help with the fire. And then everybody has one of these in their house, a fire extinguisher. So the first community helper is a firefighter. The second one, very important for getting food to everybody, goes from a farmer's farm to your table, a farmer. So what are some things associated with the farmer? So we have the tractor that he uses, got plants, farmers have barns, horses, there's some wheat, and then some farmers have cows on their farms for milk. So those are the 6 items that go along with a farmer. So we'd like you to match those up, practice matching those. And then the third one, if you're ever sick, you go and see a doctor. So we have the doctor picture here. And then what kind of things go along with the doctor? Well, we have a blood pressure monitor, a mask, which we see a lot of those nowadays because everybody's wearing a mask to stay safe, thermometer, stethoscope, a little hammer to check your reactions, and then a little magnifier to check your ears. So those are some items that you see at a doctor's office. So I want you to match those up with the doctor. So that's what I want you to do for this week, is matching those up. And then you have your chart, which if I can find it, somewhere in my pile of papers here. Here it is. You have your chart, and week 2, got week 2 right here. The same thing as last week. Write in the 3 community helpers, doctor, farmer, and firefighter, and then practice each day matching up. Pick 2, and then practice matching. You have doctor and firefighter, and then practice matching which item goes with which community helper. So that's what I would like you to do for this week, is to practice and talk about the 3 community helpers and the items that they use and how those community helpers benefit the community. What do they do to help people in their community? And do that Monday through Friday. Practice your community helpers. So that's what you're going to do for this week. I hope you guys had a good weekend, and I hope you have a good week, and you're staying safe and healthy, and I will talk to you next week. Take care, everybody.